Hey there everyone, in today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video. We're going to be doing sort of a version 2 update of this plugin called Advanced Enchantments, and I dare say this is probably the best custom enchanting plugin I have actually seen. It includes 190 already built-in custom enchants, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own custom ones for your Minecraft server. So this is actually insane. So this is a version 2 update that I have been requested from the developer, making it so seamless from his new website into Minecraft, which is insane. So if you guys want to check out the main video, I will leave it on the top right hand corner of the screen, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Today's video sponsor is by Songoda, and the Songoda team is making a very nice marketplace where you can find free and paid plugins to help your server stand out from the crowd. Be sure you check out the links down in the description to find amazing plugins by Songoda team as well as many other developers. So to get started, you want to come to the Advanced Enchantments Create Enchantment website, and I will leave this link down in the description. This is also on Spigot, and obviously you need to have bought Advanced Enchantments in order for this to work. And so there's a ton in here that you can do, guys. So you can have all these specific types of enchantments that are events that activate, and then the application that it goes on, so you know, helmets or swords or whatever, and you can specify all of this and make your own unique custom enchants for your server, which is amazing. So we can go ahead and start with our custom enchant name, and so I'm going to be doing let's go ahead and do a mining enchant. So we'll just go ahead and call this mining. You know, you can name it whatever. Just keep in mind you cannot use color codes in this enchantment name. It does look for the enchantment group, and so that is where you would change the colors that are in the group.yml of Advanced Enchantments. And so I will put a picture on screen now as an example. So if you want a specific color code, you would use a specific group for that, and that would show in the enchantment name. But then we also have a description. So let's say for a description they'll get, you know, mining, haste, and then we'll also give them like heal the player and give them XP or something. So let's go ahead and do like, so we'll go ahead and say that while mining you get more haste and XP. And so now we can go ahead and specify the group. So this is where the color codes come into play. So let's go ahead and do elite, and so I believe that is aqua. And so now we need to go ahead and select the type, and so there's a ton of enchantment types to choose from. So as you see, there's quite a bit here that you can specify for events to happen. So if you wanted to have like an enchantment type or a potion to be activated all the time, that is what you would use the effect static. But we're going to be doing the mining one because this is my mining enchant, and it's going to be on all pickaxes. Alright, so now we need to go ahead and say what it's going to be. So I'm just going to call this pickaxes, and so that would just display what it would be applied to. So now you can also have specific settings. So if you wanted to require other enchantments to be applied first or remove others, you can totally do whatever you want, and you can just check mark and then uncheck it. So it just depends on what you want to do. So next you have the enchantment levels, and so this is where you can go ahead and make your own leveling system, which is so cool, guys. So now we have the level chance, and so I'm just gonna make this we'll do like 80%. And so obviously if you had more OP, you would just, you know, make it like 20%, but for video purposes to see it activate, we're gonna do 80, and then we're gonna have a delay of we'll do 5 seconds. So we can go ahead and start typing for auto completion, but as you see, there is a whole list in here of what you can do. Like there's a ton of customization for specific events to register, so it's so cool. So we're going to be adding the potion effect. So we'll do a potion, and then here's the potions that we're going to be doing. So we'll do potion effect. So now we need the potion effect name, so this would be haste, and then level. So let's go ahead and make this level 1. Alright, so that would be for my first level, and then ticks, and so this would be 20 ticks equals 1 second of that specific effect. So I went ahead and do we'll do like 60 ticks, right? So that would go ahead and be like 3 seconds, and then it is an 80% chance, so it will probably be mostly permanent here and there, and then this is going to be running for the attacker, the person that is doing that specific event. So now we can go ahead and add a new effect line. So let's go ahead and do like message, and so we can message that specific player. So we'd say you activated haste 1. Alright, so now if we come over here to insert variable, you can have specific variables as well if you wanted to do that. So you know, if you had the victim or attacker, that's pretty much what this does already. But if you have like damage, you can have the damage percent that is being done. So I don't think that would work properly with mining, but you know, that's what it would be used for, is for like PvP and stuff. So let's go ahead and save the changes. So now our level 1 is created. So say you want to build off that level, so you can go ahead and click duplicate, and that will make our level 2 with pretty much the same thing. And then we can go ahead and edit the effect, and we can just boost up the percent chance to make it longer or bigger or something. So we got 90, and let's go ahead and make this delay a little bit longer. So we'll do like 12 seconds, and then we'll make this, so then we'll add a second, so that would be 80 ticks. And then so we'll go ahead and say you activated haste 2, and then we'll also do another line, and we'll heal the player, and then we'll do add health, and then let's go ahead and add 20 hearts. Okay, so that will go ahead and pretty much heal them whatever they have. And so let's also go ahead and feed them. So let's go ahead and add, and then we'll do add food, and so we'll also put this to 20, so that will heal them and feed them and make sure it's on the attacker. So let's go ahead and save that. So now we have the 4 effects for this one. And so say we wanted to add another level 3, so you would pretty much do the same thing, duplicate and then edit. So we'll add 95 here, and then we'll do like a 20-second we'll do a 20-second delay, and then let's go ahead and boost this up to 120 ticks. And then we would say, you know, activated haste 3, and then it would be adding health, adding food. Let's go ahead and actually add some XP. So we'll do EXP, and so we'll do the EXP, and then we'll give them like 25 XP, and we'll add that to attacker. So last one I'm going to be adding is durability, and so we'll go ahead and do add durability item. So if you wanted to add durability back, it would have to be a negative number, and if you did a positive number, it would take away from the durability that they have. So this would be adding to the item, so we'll do like negative 15. So this will go ahead and repair their pickaxe that they're using. So make sure it's on the attacker, and there we go. That is my 1, 2, and 3 levels. So now, once you have all your enchantments done, go ahead and click create enchantments, and so here it gives you a full list, and then here you need to come and click generate enchantment token. So this will give you a token that it will produce, and all you have to do is just copy and paste this in game, which is so awesome. So let me go switch back over to my Minecraft and go ahead and just paste that in, and I will go ahead and actually add the enchantment just like so. And then here is our mining, which is awesome, guys. So if we go ahead and do the enchanter, and then let's go we put it in the elite group. So let's go ahead and see, it will probably be the last one here. And so there we go, we have our mining. So it says description: while mining you get haste and more XP, and that is amazing, guys. So if we do AE enchant, and then we'll do a mining, and so now we have our 3 levels that we created. So let's go ahead and do mining 1, and so let me go into GM0 real quick. So let's go ahead and start mining, and there we go. It says we activated haste 1, and we just got haste 2 for a little bit of time. So if we keep on mining, we will get that haste, and it will pretty much activate as long as we're mining, which is awesome. So now we can go ahead and do mining 2, and so now if you check, we have mining 2. And so if we go ahead and keep mining, as you see, we do get haste 3, which is set up amazing properly. So we can go ahead and keep mining, and we will get that message as well. So I'm going to go up 10, and then I'm going to take some damage here, and as you see, we do take damage. And so with our haste 2, it will heal my hearts, and there we go, it just healed my hearts, and we also got a full health bar as well. And so let me go ahead and do the mining 3. So we'll go up 10 again, we'll take some more damage here, and we'll fall down, and there we go. So if we go ahead and start mining again, we should be able to heal our hearts here pretty soon once it activates. We did set the delay a little bit longer, remember, on this one, but there we go. So our pickaxe durability is 1536. So if we keep on mining, the durability is now at 1548, and it was at 1536. So there we go, we just increased our durability of our pickaxe. So if we just keep on mining and mining, we should keep getting repaired durability, and there we go, it just repaired it again, guys. Like, that is so cool, and this is such a nice effect. And so just like that, we have our own custom mining enchant. I'm going to show you guys one more that deals with mobs, and then we'll end off the video. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new enchantment. So I'm just going to call this Mob Defender, okay? So this would pretty much be activated when we're going to be attacking a mob. I'm going to shoot like a fireball when, you know, you're hitting the mob. So this will go ahead and say add a fireball when hitting mobs, okay? So that will go ahead and do that, and this will be applied to all swords, axes, and bows, okay? So that would be all of that, and you can highlight multiple ones as well. Let's do the ultimate group, and so now we'll do weapons for this group. So now let's go ahead and start adding in enchantment levels. So I'm going to head and do 90 and 2, and then this would go ahead and do, I think there's a fireball. Yeah, so we'll do fireball, and then this would be at the victim, because that is what we're going to be killing the zombies. And so, and then we also add, let's do, I think a boost, I think is one. Yeah, so we can do boost, and so this would pretty much like boost the zombies or whatever mob that we're on. So let's do like 15, so that's going to be running for the victim, and then that should be good. So let's go ahead and save the changes, and so this is just going to be a level 1 enchantment. Go ahead and create it, and then generate that token. And so let's go ahead and copy all this just like so, switch back over to my Minecraft, and then let's go ahead and claim that as well. So there we go. As you see, it is added, and there is the Mob Defender. So let's go ahead and get myself a diamond sword, and then we'll go and do AE enchant, and then we'll do Mob Defender, and then 1, and so that is the only level that we have. And so there we go, we have Mob Defender 1. So if we go ahead and spawn some zombies, so we'll do like 3 zombies, right? So let's go ahead and try this out. So oh, look at that, guys, he just got launched up. Oh yeah, and the fireball is working too, because it's you see the little fireball effect that is happening. That is so cool, and it's just launching them up, which is awesome. That is such a fun enchant, guys. Like, look at that, that's so cool. And so it does actually add some extra damage as well. So pretty awesome enchantment there. Oh yeah, he's probably gonna die here, and there we go. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's pretty fun messing around with a custom enchant, so highly recommend this enchanting plugin. Make sure you go check out the website as well as the Bukkit page. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.